Hey guys, it's Mark. It is Saturday afternoon. Just got a package from Amazon. I'm guessing this is probably like one of those mystery boxes because I don't recall what this is. Just based on what I'm feeling through the package, I don't think I ordered this. However, it does have my name on it, so I'm assuming this is me. So let me break out my opener. And let's see what this is. I did purchase a couple of those mystery packages. I think one was from like Wish. This one might have been the Amazon one. Yeah, check that out. And usually in those little mystery things, I'll check like electronics or something, depending on what the box is. And this one came with headphones. Maxwell headphones. I'm guessing these are probably, well, I can see by the description here, they're 6-foot corded ones. So, interesting. Was it worth the mystery gift? Yeah. Quality's not bad, I could tell already from Maxwell. Would I have liked something different? Maybe, but that's part of the mystery, right? Anyway, that's what I got for you guys. Saturday afternoon. Have a great day, unless, of course, you made other plans. Peace out.